Despite spending about 1/3 of our lives asleep, we actually know little about its physiological function. What we do know, however, is that it is cyclical in nature and is regulated by processes in the brain. Sleep can be broken down into two types: rapid eye movement sleep, or REM sleep, and non-rapid eye movement sleep, or non-REM sleep. Over the course of a period of sleep, non-REM and REM sleep alternate cyclically, with each cycle lasting from approximately 90 to 120 minutes, leading to 4 to 5 cycles a night. After falling asleep, normal adults first enter non-REM sleep, which is divided into 4 stages of increasing depth. This means that non-REM stages 1 and 2 are the easiest to wake up from, and non-REM stages 3 and 4, also known as deep sleep, are the most difficult to wake up from. During non-REM sleep, many physiological changes occur that differ from wakefulness. When compared to being awake, brain activity, heart rate, blood pressure, sympathetic nerve activity, blood flow to the brain, and respiration all decrease, while muscle tone remains the same. Body temperature is regulated at a lower set point, which means that the body needs to be colder than usual before it begins to shiver. Non-REM stage 4 is followed by REM sleep, which is characterized by desynchronized brainwave activity, muscle atonia, and bursts of rapid eye movements. Dreaming is also associated with REM sleep, and individuals are more likely to recall their dreams if woken up during REM sleep.
I had a dream.
Numerous physiological changes are associated with REM sleep as well. Brain activity in motor and sensory areas increases, as does blood pressure, heart rate, sympathetic nerve activity, and blood flow to the brain. Compared to non-REM sleep, respiration also increases. Muscle tone is completely absent, and body temperature is no longer regulated. Well, that's just dandy, but what regulates sleep? Well, your body has an internal clock designed to regulate feelings of sleepiness and wakefulness over a 24-hour period. This biological clock is known as your circadian rhythm. Your circadian rhythm is controlled by an area in the hypothalamus known as the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which causes the pineal gland to secrete the hormone known as melatonin. Melatonin causes sleepiness in response to decreased light, which is why we are most alert when the sun is shining and are ready to sleep when it is dark outside. Your circadian rhythm causes your level of wakefulness to rise and dip throughout the day, which is why many people get an afternoon crash between 1 and 3 p.m. and then another phase of sleepiness between 2 and 4 a.m. However, substantial schedule changes, such as pulling an all-nighter, may temporarily disrupt your circadian rhythm, while persistent schedule changes, such as beginning night shift work, may cause a long-term alteration of your circadian rhythm. This, along with natural variability from person to person, may explain why some of us are early birds who function best in the morning, while others are night owls who function best at night.
Created using